Why I don't like Bongbong Marcos? Because he's Mr. Prinkles. I don't buy Prinkles, I don't buy Coke in supermarket. I asked Teacher May and their nephew Rafael don't eat junk food. Nicolo doesn't like junk food too. Oh, do not drink Coke, do not drink Prinkles. I mean, when I was go to Japan, I bought Sprite, oh, instead of Coke. I don't like Coke, ha? Because there's a label there, Coca-Cola, Benjamin Netanyahu, and Bongbong Marcos. I don't like Coke. You know, you know, t- Buddy Castro didn't get Coke. For me, I don't like Coke. I boycott Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola was a product by Israel. Oh, not by Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola is a product by Israel and Spain. It was a drink of Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu. And also Jose Maria Aznar. And even King Felipe and Isaac Herzog and Martin Romualdez. Do not drink that Coca-Cola. For me, for all of you, let's drink Sprite instead of Coca-Cola. I don't like Coca-Cola. And when I go to Japan in Houston Bush in a convenience store, I bought Sprite. Oh, Sprite is my favorite drink. Last year, Sprite. But for me, I'm asking to everyone, we are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Even Teacher May got also scammed because I don't know. I never been talk with Teacher May. Teacher May Tiburcio, she got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Why? Teacher May Tiburcio, she got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. I've been told that from Teacher Marisa. That's why Teacher May, she never vote Bongbong Marcos. Oh, I know that's her fault that she vote Bongbong Marcos. This is my fault that I endorse Bongbong Marcos. That's not really happened. Me, we're already been scammed by Bongbong Marcos. If I were you, Dan Mardayaw, I say again, I talk with Tera Francisco, I chat with him, you have to withdraw the support of Bongbong Marcos. Wag mo i-idolize yung drug addict na yan, Danmar. Like I said again, Danmar, drug addict na nga po si Bongbong Marcos. There is no uniteam, Danmar. You know, unlike Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte, it's comparison of rivalry of me and Wawel Romero. Comparison of rivalry of Bill Galang and Yvette. I know. Wag mo kasi i-idolize yang si Bongbong Marcos, Danmar. You know, it's drug addict. There's lots of addict who were using illegal drugs. That's why you listen to Teacher Jessa Fernandez. You listen to Sir Calvin Cuevas. How does Bongbong Marcos is a drug addict? He's a drug addict, Danmar.